After significant rainfall, Ashburton River's back up to its old tricks, up to a peak of 780 cumecs, threatening to burst its banks again. So of course we do what any responsible parent does and take our 3.5-year-old out for an adventure.
All bundled up.
Bye.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye.
Oh.
We could see dinosaurs that is alright.
Rivers across the South Island surged and rose as rain continued to fall and flow down from the high country. It's these rising river levels like here in Ashburton that is causing damage to parts of the South Island. They are breaching their banks, causing damage to farmland, roads and bridges, and authorities are keeping a very close eye on these as the day progresses.
This track, big sewer track, the water hasn't gotten here yet, but it's not far away.
I got to see you so down.
Right. The water hasn't gotten here yet, but look, the water's right here. It's very, very close. So we better not go down there in case the river cuts us off. Look at this. Look at how high the water is. Wow.
It's so right here.
How crazy is that?
Ew, God,
Wow.
ew, oh no.
Wow. So angry.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's that. Yeah. No, hi. It's upside down.
Wow.
Upside down.
Is it scary? You want to go what? You go over there and have a look. Well, we can go and have a look down this side. Where the dog park. So we have to be very careful. Be very careful. We don't go too close to the river or anything silly. Don't mess with flood water. So we'll go down and we'll have a little wee look. You scared? No, it's okay. Daddy won't let anything bad happen to us. We just have to be careful. That's all. We just have to be careful. And not be too silly. So that's where you wanted to go to. It's just we've come down the other side of the river. Let's go down and have a little look. Whoa, look how high it is. Yeah? Look, it's the TV news people are sitting up.
Juliet, so what's the message from authorities tonight?
Yeah? You want to go home? Yeah? Yeah. Don't worry, I'm not gonna let anything bad happen to us. Okay? Yeah, we're just having a wee look. Don't worry, sweetie. We're perfectly safe. Daddy's not gonna ride us into the water. But look how high it is. Look, this is normally where we go wee down the boat track. And the river's come up. And look how angry the river is over there where it's going under the bridge. Where it's all piling up against the bridge. And look, you see that little red sign over there? On the stick? That's normally where the track goes. Yeah, and it's all underwater. All underwater. Yeah. Yeah, we go home now, okay?
I want my num.
You want your nuns?
Yeah.
We'll go home and get some nuns. Oh, look, Water's all the way up here. Look. Look, that's supposed to be bike track and it's all water.
Yeah. Hi. I want my yum.
Yeah?
I want my yum.
Okay.
I was here is tea.
Mummy's cooking tea already. So we'll go home and help Mummy cook tea.
So at this point I'm under the impression that she wants to go home to eat tea because she's scared. But no, she wants to go and sit right by the floodwaters and have a picnic. Because that's what we do on bike rides, is we stop and we have picnics.
Oh, we don't even have any nums with us.
Three.
Oh, Daddy's not wearing his backpack. We don't have any nums with us.
What is it say all here? What does it say?
Oh look,
The
there's a
supermarket.
picnic seat.
No. What does it say?
Yeah, there's a seat,
Yeah.
but we don't have our nums. Daddy doesn't have his backpack.
So one moment I'm scared and I want to go home, but now I want to stop and have a picnic by the floodwaters. I love my little adventurer. Bundled up in all our Arctic gear, wants to stop and have a picnic, watch the natural disaster.
I will go to Sunky.
We just went to that one.
I want to again.
But we can't. We are up high. The river's up high too, isn't it?
Right here.
See, look. That there is where we were before. See, we came down over there and we stopped there. And I pointed out the red sign. Okay. Let's go home. Go home where it's nice and warm and snuggly. Yeah? Wow, look at that river. Look at how high and angry it is. You're right. We're just going to stop here for a second. Wow. That's alright. Nothing bad can happen to you. It's okay. It's very high though, isn't it? You want to go home?
Yeah.
Okay. Off we go. Whoops. Hang on, let me just get the pedals sorted out. Here we go. Off we go. Wow. Look at all the sticks and stuff getting blowing down the river. Oh, look at that. That was like a whole tree. That's why I said we couldn't go down the big saw walk, because if the water comes up any higher, it's gonna go right into big saw walk and start taking down the trees, and then we'll get trapped, and then it will get very dangerous very quick. See, look how high the water is. It's all the way up into big saw walk. And oh, you can tell Mummy all about it.
Yeah.